In November 2024, Bitcoin hit $100,000. Everyone thinks this is about crypto adoption or fighting inflation. They're completely wrong. What's really driving Bitcoin reveals something far more dangerous: a hidden crisis in the global banking system that peaks in March 2025. Money flows are pointing to the biggest capital flight in history. Bitcoin isn't rising because of technology or adoption. It's rising because of something far more serious: a complete loss of confidence in the European banking system. Look at these capital flow patterns. European and Chinese money isn't just moving, it's fleeing. And Bitcoin has become the escape valve for a banking system under extreme stress. March 2025 is when multiple cycles converge, something we haven't seen since the 2008 financial crisis. The November 2024 high wasn't random. We have two critical patterns forming. The first points to $125,000 by March 2025. But here's what makes this truly shocking. It's part of a larger global capital shift. Just like in 1931 when capital fled Europe, we're seeing the same pattern today. This time, the numbers are 10 times bigger. March 2025 represents more than just a date. It's a convergence of multiple crisis points. The banking stress, sovereign debt crisis, and a complete loss of confidence in government are all coming to a head. The last time we saw this pattern was right before major financial crises that changed the entire system. Here's what everyone's missing. Bitcoin is a warning system showing exactly where global capital is fleeing from. When European banks start failing in 2025, when sovereign debt collapses, and when governments try to impose more controls, that's when you'll understand why Bitcoin hit these levels. This isn't about crypto replacing the dollar. It's about surviving the biggest banking crisis since 1931. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Our next video reveals exactly how European banking stress could trigger Bitcoin's next major move. This isn't about crypto speculation. It's about understanding the biggest capital flight in history.